Okay, this is going to be an introductory video on trading chart, the trading chart that I use, and what the indicators on it represent. And it's going to be pretty quick, so I'm going to have some follow-up videos that will explain more in depth what they all mean. But this is just kind of an introductory, quick thing, so you can just get the initial idea and then get more understanding as we progress on to the next video. So we'll start real quickly here. These candles or bars represent the price action, whether it's going up or down. The empty bars or candles mean the price went up in the time period that you select. I've selected 15 minutes. You can go anywhere from a minute all the way up to a month. I've used 15 minutes for a long time, and they seem to work well for me. So that's what I try to stick with. So the empty green bar means the price went up. The white bar means the price went down. Okay, and a wick extending past the body of the bar candle means the price went up that high in that time period. And then the wick that goes down means the price went that low during that period. So either up or down. And again, empty means the price went up. White means the price went down. These colored lines represent the moving averages of whatever day is assigned to it. This yellow one means 8-day moving average. The red one's 21-day moving average. The light green one or light blue one, is a 50-day moving average. This white one here is 200-day average. They're all significant in their own way. We'll go into further detail in subsequent videos. And this blue one is the 800-day moving average. So they all have their own significance. Again, we'll talk about that in subsequent videos. This indicator here is representing a few different numbers. The main one is the price, the current price. So just focus on that for now. And we'll again talk about the other numbers, what they mean in a subsequent video. This is my little clock meter. It gives the current time in different major markets. Now we'll go to these indicators here at the bottom. This is the WPR, Williams percent range, and it gives you the most up-to-date indicator or indication of what the price is doing. It's represented by this number here on this left panel here. If the number is in red, it means it's at or below minus 80, which it shows right here. And if it's at or above minus 20, it's going to be in green, like that color green there. And it's going to be up here in this area. As you can see here, you see the price went up. And here, over here, later in the day, when you see the WPR below minus 80, the price has gone down. So this gives you probably the most up-to-date, to the minute, to the second indicator of what the price is doing. This is the Traders Dynamic Index, or the TDI. And these lines here represent different things. The most important one is this yellow one. That's the L50, or the liquid 50. If it's above the stationary 50, right here, that dashed line, which is right in the middle, it means the price is inclined to go up. If it's below that stationary 50, the price is inclined to go down. It doesn't always correlate with that, but it's a general indicator of what's going on. This green line is a more up to the minute or second indicator of what the price is doing. And when it's above that yellow line, it means the price is generally going up. If it's below it, it means it's generally going down, as you can see. The red line is another indicator of the trend. It's a little bit slower than the green line, but it also can give you an idea of what the price is doing. So if this green line is below both the yellow and the red line, then that really indicates that the price is probably going down, or vice versa. If it's above both of them, like here, you can see the price is going up. So that's what the TDI shows. This indicator down here is the divergence indicator, and it's very important. It's not going to necessarily tell you what the price is doing, but it can tell you when the price may reverse. So you're looking for a reddish line with a red arrow, or a greenish line with a green arrow. Red means the price is high and it's probably going to come down. Green means the price is low. It's probably going to go up. So generally, you're going to see those same lines up here in this on the price action. If you see one of those reddish lines up here close to or right at the highest point, which is right here, then that's where you look for the price to reverse and start going down, or vice versa. You see one of those greenish lines down here to the lowest point, that is a possible indicator that the price is about ready to go up. So you would be looking for that when you look at this divergence indicator. So, also, let me go back to the TDI. I have those numbers represented here in this left panel also. The yellow line is represented by TDI L50. You can see right now, as of the last minute of yesterday, which was Friday, April 24th, that session, the L50 wound up just above 50.3 and change. And the price line, TDI price line, is that red line here. That's kind of the trend line, or that's not kind of, it is a trend line. And it ended up at 35.9, or at basically 36. So that's what you see there, that red line. And then you see the green lines below that. So the green line, okay, I screwed that up. So I'm not going to redo this, but I'm sorry. The price line is at 36. That's the green line. The green line is the price line. That's 36. The red line is the signal line, which is more of the trend line. So that ended up at 41.4. You see it right there. So I apologize for the confusion, but green line's there at 36, and the red line's at 41. Here, when you see, okay, for this one, when the numbers are in green, it means that the L50 is above 50. If it's red, it means the L50 is below 50. For the price line, the green line, if it's below the red line, then it's going to be in red. If it's above the red line, then it's going to be green. For the signal line, basically, if it's above the green line, you're going to see that in green. Or if it's below the green line, like right here, you're going to see it in red. So that's what those numbers represent there. So hopefully that wasn't too confusing. I didn't explain it as clearly as I could have, but I don't have any notes. I'm just kind of improvising as I go through. But if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll explain more in detail. In any case, I'm going to do that in further videos. But hopefully you'll find this helpful, and I'm going to attach a link to some other videos that are very helpful to help you understand how trading works and how to get started if that's what you want to do. Thanks for watching.